Now to a CBS 19 health alert. A first-of-its-kind surgery performed at Trinity Mother Frances in Tyler leaves the patient with no visible scarring. CBS 19's Jamie Garrick spoke to that first patient to undergo a procedure with this new technology. And Jamie, what did he say about the experience?
Well, Justin, he says that it went so well, he'd recommend this new option to others. The way it works is using robotic technology, and instead of several incisions, the doctor goes in just once through your belly button to operate. It's more precise than other methods and leaves behind no visible scar.
You would know by the looks of it that Mark Miller spent yesterday on an operating table.
Surgery was about 7 o'clock yesterday morning, and I was done about lunchtime yesterday. And laid around the house and then back at work today.
He's the first patient in Tyler to have a single-site gallbladder removal using Vinci surgical robot technology.
Very little pain. It's been pretty easy so far. It's a little bit sore, but not terribly bad. It's just one little incision in your belly button.
Miller says he wasn't nervous to be the guinea pig, having confidence in the payoff.
So you don't have any scars, and so it worked really good. It was really easy.
This is an opportunity to do the surgery with essentially no visible scars.
Dr. Robert McKinney, Chief of Surgery at Trinity Mother Frances, says he's happy with the way the first round went.
You can do a dry run a number of times, but then when you're doing it live, it's always a little bit different. But it went very well.
He says while the robotic technology has been around for more than a decade, the FDA just approved new equipment for this procedure.
It was fascinating technology. It really helps some specialties do some things that they were not able to do technically, reach areas that were hard to reach.
Dr. McKinney says it may not be for everyone, but should at least be considered.
It's another, arrow in the quiver, so to speak, and we want to be able to offer all these things to patients in our community.
Miller, a walking example of what's possible and where improved technology is headed.
Right now, gallbladder removal is the only procedure that the FDA has approved with this equipment. However, doctors expect it to become available for other surgeries too, like hysterectomies. Justin?
Wow, technology really is amazing. Jamie, if someone decides to go with this option for their surgery, is it any more expensive?
Justin, I did ask that question to Mr. Miller. He says that it doesn't cost any more than the old method would, and theoretically it should be less painful because less incisions are involved. Back to you.
Sounds good. All right. Now, ETMC has this same Vinci equipment and plans to do its first gallbladder procedure on a patient in the coming weeks.